Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, so you travel a lot from home to school, school to home, and other places. So, what is your opinion about the roads of Bangalore?
Okay. So let's hear, children. Bangalore is once it
Yes, ma'am.
rains, the potholes get filled up with water. How does a common man know where is a pothole when it is raining? If the wheel of a two-wheeler falls on a pothole and a person is not having a control on the speed, even if you have a control on the speed, there are 90% chances that you skid and fall. Okay, so children, the main concern is that you can take up the matter, the contractor who is taking up to lay the roads or to fill the pothole should also take the responsibility of maintaining it. So we would like the government provide them road, proper road should be there, connectivity should be there. How does a person travel from his or her home to office? Now, because of COVID, work from home, but it won't go long, no? One fine day again, we will be having the normal matters which should be taken care. And I would like even you from your forum, Janagraha should work towards it. It's a major concern.
What's your opinion on the Bangalore roads, ma'am? Do you think they're safe?
Bangalore roads, you are talking in some areas, they are very proper. There is no doubt any problem is there. But some roads which they have started to dig and some wire they have to put or whatever, they are not doing the work on time. Near wind tunnel road, boundary wall of airport, this one wind tunnel road is there 3.5 years before they have started digging, is still the same condition and potholes are there and rainwater is getting collected into that. So the roads are definitely, it's an invitation, you come and fall into the road. That's all. Very bad condition.
Ma'am, what are the few issues that you faced while you were traveling to the school or anywhere?
See, while I will travel on the this road, some roads are very proper, some are very zigzag, like adventure we are doing on the way. Some are like that. No need to go for trekking and all. We can do all this here in Bangalore roads. So, like we have to take initiative. We are the citizens. If we are not aware, then why the government will bother? Until the citizens will not wake up, work will not be done. So if you see, when a child cries, then only mother will give milk or this. When you will say, mother, I am feeling hungry, then only food will come to you. Until you will not say the requirement to the government, how will they do? You have to raise your voice, then only your work will be done. Everybody will see the roads are in a bad condition. Everybody is falling. Street lights are not working. Even some street lights are having switch. You know that street lights are having switch on it. So
Yes, ma'am.
citizens should
Ma'am,
on and off they have to do. Some are so careless, they will not bother that sunset and we have to on this. Street will be like in dark. You have to on the switch, and when it is the sunrise, you have to off it. Okay, so we are responsible. Being a responsible citizen, we have to take the initiative, and if any road is pending work is there, we have to write the application and give to the corporation that this work has to be done. And if they are not doing, then you all can go for a requesting. So first, what is the method you will adopt?
First, we have to give a request to the corporation.
If your request is not accepted, what you will do? Protest?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We'll protest.
yeah, ma'am.
So first we have to request. If they are not completing it, we have to protest it. Being a citizen, like Gandhiji's Asayog Andolan and all non-cooperation movement, you will be knowing how we got the freedom. Some were very violent, violent people were there. Some are non-violent people. So like that, we should work.
Yes, ma'am.
ನಮಗೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಂಡಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಓಡಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದು.
Anything, pedestrians or on the vehicles.
How bad are the roads of Bangalore?
No, roads are bad. It was like now. No, they are doing. And the government is doing. Payment of the road. It's okay, better now. But if you see for the pedestrians, and no, I'm not complaining about the pedestrians. It's their duty to cross the roads or walk on the pedestrian footpath or something like that. If they are walking on the road, obviously the traffic will be more. Unnecessary accident will happen. Unnecessary honking, and then something will happen. See, also these guys are going on the no entry roads. So if somebody is coming the one way, if the other guy is not seeing, obviously the accident will happen. So these are all the minor problems. But if you see in the main roads, like in the highways, there must be a speed control. That already the government has initiated the speed governor, but it has to be followed. If it is 80 means 80, you have to follow on that road. If it is 120 means you have to follow. But if you are going beyond the limit, then it will be a problem for everyone. So because nobody is thinking that okay, this is 80 km speed, so they will be coming on the 80 speed. So and then any other safety means safety we have to take care of things.
What do you feel about small roads in gullies and stuff?
Yeah, gullies you have to go. Not the government designated the speed. For example, government is designated for two-wheelers 50 kilometers per hour. But in the gully area, it's not possible to go for 50 kilometers speed. Especially for the narrow roads or in the markets, 20 is okay. Or 20 to 30 kilometers speed is okay. And anything like any other thing.
Thank you.
ಮುಖ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವವ್ರದ್ದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಒನ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವವ್ರದ್ದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ತಿಪ್ಸಂದ್ರ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಏನದು ಕೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೋಡ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ರೋಡ್ ಹಂಪ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ. ಮಳೆ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಹಳ್ಳಗಳಿದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಬಲ್ಲೆ ನಾನು ತಿಪ್ಸಂದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನು ದೂರದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಳ್ಳಗಳು ನೋಡೋದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಇದೆ. ಮಳೆ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಅದೊಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ.
Myself Hardik, I am from Ahmedabad and we do this project business and all, and I find Bangalore roads are very good and very clean compared to any other cities. There is only one point that there are lots of construction is going on, and due to that there is a traffic issue, and in which there is a scope of improvement from Bangalore side. So yes, I guess that is it. Anything more you want to ask?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು, ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಕಡೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್ಸು ರೋಡ್ ಎರಡೂ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ ಓಡಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಈಗ ಈ ಮಳೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಪೋಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ವಲಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೀರು ನಿಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೀಳೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಗುಂಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಆ ನೀರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಳ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಸತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಲೋಕಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕಾರಣ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೂ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂತಿಲ್ಲ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಅದನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅವರು. ಮೇನ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರೋದು. ಈ ರೋಡಿಂದ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ರೋಡ್ ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದರೂ ಯಾರು ಬಿದ್ದು ಏನೋ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೈ ದ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಅದು ಮತ್ತು ರೋಡು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗಂತೂ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ರೋಡೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ BM ಇದೆ, ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸರು ಮತ್ತು ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜರು ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
क्यों बोलते सिटी का बाहर क्या जाता ना, उधर साइड पे बहुत ट्रैफिक रहता है कभी भी. क्यों बोलते बहुत फेस करना, स्पेशली क्या ये धूप कल में हो गया. और सिटी में आ गए तो बारिश का तो और खड्डा है बहुत, उसका बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. पर वो नहीं क्या कर, थोड़े एरिया में अच्छा है. कौन सा था क्या कौन सा डेवलप एरिया है ना, उसमें एरिया अच्छा है. कितना है क्या ट्रैफिक का थोड़ा कंट्रोल कर लें, उतने बस थोड़ा विड्थ करना रोड, इससे मतलब बराबर नहीं उसका.